First, we have printed a welcome message to the screen using the print function. Next, we printed the words to continue, again using the print function. The line of code on line 11 shows as follows: string input 1, please enter your full name. Notice that in the line of code above, we have used the input function to obtain an input of name, and thereafter we have enclosed the input function in the string function. The string keyword is a keyword that will convert input into a string data type, and in our case, it is converting the input that the user enters into a string data type. I am aware that using the string function is redundant, as I mentioned earlier that the input function by default captures input as a string by default. The same logic applies to the int function. This keyword will convert the input you provide into integer data type.